what's happening in Karnataka. So what we are learning through sources that the Karnataka Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shiv Kumar held a meeting with Mallikarjun Kharge and Rahul Gandhi on the sidelines of the Assam election preparation meeting. Now, while DKS had a brief conversation with Rahul Gandhi, he met Kharge separately. Now, sources informed the decision over what is being called as an power tussle and cabinet reshuffle also happened between the two of them. And before this, Karnataka Mantri KJ George also had a one-on-one meeting with Rahul Gandhi, which lasted for about 30 minutes. Sources say that George surprised Rahul Gandhi about the state's political situation and a need for a cabinet reshuffle, as he is the observer for Kerala Assembly elections. So a discussion was also being done on that matter as far as Kerala elections are also due in the state. So this is a development that we are getting to know, as far as D.K. Shiv Kumar earlier was seeking time directly to have a meeting with Rahul Gandhi, which he had assured that he will give him a call back. It seems that now, weeks later, this meeting has now happened between the two leaders. Let's get connected with Neha on this. Neha, through sources, what we are learning that one-on-one meeting has happened between Rahul Gandhi and the Deputy Chief Minister of Karnataka.
Well, that's right. In fact, this seems like it was a meeting long overdue for the Deputy Chief Minister, what, sources within the Congress party have now suggested. And what makes this so important now, of course, is the fact that, the talk of leadership change, the talk of the change of guard in the state has only been growing ever since. In fact, the government completed its 2.5-year term. What they spoke about, of course, and, whether we are actually going to be seeing this translate into a change of guard is something that possibly only time will tell. But remember, the Deputy Chief Minister not shying away from saying earlier yesterday, in fact, while he landed in Delhi, that yes, indeed, he was there to meet his senior leaders of the party. And as far as the change of guard is concerned, both the Chief Minister and his deputy, in fact, have maintained that this would be a decision of the High Command.
All right. But a separate meeting that has also happened with Mallikarjun Kharge, and what is being said that a possible discussion over the Karnataka power tussle and cabinet reshuffle may have happened between the two leaders. Well, for the moment, Neha, thank you very much for joining in with that update. Let's now shift focus and get you the pictures that are now